Wuhan Golden Laser Corporation Limited, established in 2005 and listed on the growth enterprise market of Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2011. Adhering to the strategic plan of using laser technology to transform traditional industries, based on research and development and oriented to industry applications. With 20 years of continuous development and innovation, Golden Laser has leapt to become a digital technology laser application solution provider. Golden Laser has extensive experience and expertise in laser equipment manufacturing and laser application solutions. The product line covers laser die cutting machines, large format flatbed CO2 laser cutting machines, vision laser cutting machines, galvanometer laser machines, and fiber laser cutting machines. The products involve laser cutting, laser engraving, laser marking, and laser perforation. The application fields involve labels, printing and packaging, industrial fabrics, automotive industry, digital printing, leather and shoe, textiles and clothing, carpets, furniture, decoration, electronics, metal processing, and other industries. In addition, we are also committed to designing and developing customized laser machines according to the specific needs of customers to fulfill the diversified requirements of different customers. Looking forward to the future, Golden Laser will continue to improve the performance of its products through continuous improvement and upgrading, and develop in the direction of equipment automation, intelligence, and integration. Based on the application of subdivided industries, we will increase the market share and brand influence of our products by deeply cultivating products and emphasizing services.